Dancehall entertainer Spice decided during this rainy weather that she was not getting her wig wet. Look what Spice did.
Rain. How so much rain fall? Check it out, my way. Come on. You have to protect the wig at any means necessary. Dad, come now. Good man. Lord, I'm always with us. You said that you're weird and I am not the young man like
Here we
that.
have it, Grace Hamilton, dancehall recording artist, popularly known as Spice, getting into a motor vehicle. As you can see there, Spice decided that she was not letting her blue wig get wet. So Spice removed her wig and cautiously walked to that vehicle there. But as you know, Spice is one of those premier figures of our music as well, and we love you very much, Spice, and just continue to spread the word of our music and culture as well as you propel the name of Jamaica right across. But this was just such a nice video to see Spice there not watching anything. She just pop off the wig and just do her thing, and that was just so fun to see there. Spice was experiencing that moment during the torrential rainfall that the country is experiencing at this current time. But just stay blessed, Spice, and we continue to support your music, support your movement, as well as you have launched your brand as well. Please remember that Spice has launched her clothes brand as well. So if you can support, you do support that as well, because we really need to start supporting our own race and trying to support our own people in order to build our country as well. So big up yourself, Spice. Much love and much respect goes out to you on that. Links TV out for this one. Peace.